Happy Saturday, and thanks for joining us. I'm Courtney Rowe. Mid-City Excellence will be hosting their 9th annual Martin Luther King Jr. Solution Summit Monday, January 16th. The event aims to honor the legacy of Martin Luther King Jr. by amplifying the voices of our youth and giving them a spot at the table to help provide solutions to our community's issues. The event will feature MCE St. Joe Sticks Drumline, Youth City Gospel, dancer Mama J. Alford, and keynote speaker Marcellus Casey. With a riveting guest speaker and edge-of-your-seat entertainment, Mid-City Excellence is providing a fun event that also hosts meaningful discussions engaging our youth and members of our community to make solutions on how to build a greater St. Joseph.
We discuss how we can, one, include the youth. A lot of times youth may give up, they may drop out, they may be involved in substance abuse or juvenile delinquencies, but there are a lot of youth that are waiting for us to engage them in positive things. So instead of focusing on what's not happening, let's talk about the youth that have all this time on their hand to help lean in at the table, and we're developing them as leaders right now. It's not when they grow up. We need to do it right now.
Through this event, Mid-City Excellence loves honoring Martin Luther King's message of embracing diversity and what makes us unique, while also coming together as a community to work towards a better future.
He brought people together, and a lot of times we talk about our differences and our cultural backgrounds and how we survive and the different things that we've been through. I'm going to find out where our strength lies. And if this nation stays divided politically and racially and socioeconomic status, we are not going to be as strong as we can.
Mid-City kids will be divided up for breakout sessions with fellow community members to hear their stories on how they have persevered in their own lives in hopes of inspiring these kids to do the same.
These young folks need to see you and need to find out what are your failures, how did you overcome those, and what were some of your successes, and how are you surviving now? We need to speak life and give our young people some career opportunities and some opportunities to fulfill their destiny and find out what their purpose is.
As we enter the new year, Mid-City Excellence hopes that this event will inspire people to gain the momentum they need to continue making change here in the community.
If we just talk about Martin Luther King and that one time in history where he brought the nation together, then the dream does not live on. But if we make that dream relevant for 2023, we engage, equip, and empower so many people in our nation, in our state, and more importantly, on our block and in our city.
Seating is limited, so people are encouraged to RSVP by January 9th. Again, this event is free and will take place January 16th from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. at the Word of Life NYC Fellowship. To RSVP, go to visitmce.org, and for any questions, call 816-273-5450.